as an entrepreneur, I just like to scroll Instagram and like just mind my own business. The life of an entrepreneur. What's up, you guys? I love that I share pretty much my whole life with you guys here on All Things Adrienne, but I realized that I have not gotten a chance to share with you guys this incredible collection that we created for spring, summer, Loungewear Lounge. So today is the day I'm gonna show you some of my favorite pieces and how I love to rock them. Thank you to Shopify for sponsoring this video. I have to say that one of the things I'm most proud of is being an entrepreneur. As a female and as a Latina, it means the world to me. And a lot of you guys are really interested in also being entrepreneurs, and you're like, how do I get started? How do I do this? It almost seems impossible. Shopify is literally the answer to all of these questions. It's an all-in-one commerce platform designed to start, grow, and manage your business. And trust me, you guys, if I can use it, anyone can. I use it for both of my brands, Loungewear and XIXI. And regardless of your technical ability or experience, Shopify is super easy to use. Right, Lana?
Right.
Shopify supports small businesses like Loungewear. And fun fact, every 28 seconds, a new business gets its first sale on Shopify. So literally that could be you. I'm not gonna lie, at first starting a business, it felt super overwhelming because there was so much I didn't know. And I was like, how do you even make this happen? How do you make sure that your finances are in the right place? How do you know when you had sales and all of these things? Well, literally, Lana and I sat down and we were like, let's download Shopify. I had the app set up on my phone, and I can't front, one of my favorite things has literally been hearing the sound of cha-ching. Every time there is a sale made, it tells me what you ordered, how much your total was, and all the information I need to know about each and every one of my customers. It also lets me know the demographic of my customers, where you're from, who's buying the most, the ages, and so much more. It's pretty cool. I absolutely love all the information that it provides. Now listen, owning your business is hard enough, but tools like Shopify absolutely make it so much easier. So if you're thinking of starting your own business, all you have to do is click the link below or head on over to shopify.com/allthingsadrienne to learn how to start your business today. I've gotta be honest, this is definitely our boldest collection that we've ever come out with. As you know, we are normally very neutral. We keep the neutral tones, we keep that vibe. And then we decided to go crazy with color for our spring summer knits collection, starting with the Eze set. One day I was at my sister's house and Lana and I were discussing what we should do for our summer knits collection, spring summer vibes, and I was like, you know what? Let's go for some bright colors that are definitely going to catch everyone's attention. And this was definitely one of the first pieces that I designed. You guys know that I love a good duster. You know that I need pockets in a duster. And that's where we came up with the concept of creating our spring summer knits collection. And guys, I'm literally obsessed with it. So we started discussing, okay, what kind of colors do we wanna do? Fun fact, when you are designing a collection, you actually get to check out different swatches with different colors and different fabrics, and I gotta say, it was very unlike me to turn to Lana and be like, why don't we go for like some bright colors? I don't know where this came from, but I gotta be honest, it's something I'm really proud of. Taking a chance and going for bold colors like this right here. Also a fun fact, we actually named all of these pieces after my favorite vacation spots. A few years back, Iz and I went to Italy, the south of France, and we traveled, and almost all of these pieces are named after our favorite spots. So this was the Eze set, which was named after Chateau Eze, a place in the south of France. Check it out. And this is in the color Aloe Green. It also comes in, hold please, Tulip Pink. This is actually what my favorite thing is about this outfit, is the fact that you have like a peekaboo midriff. I know a lot of people see these sets and they're like, oh my gosh, I don't wanna show my tummy. That's actually what I created this for. It's intentional for people who normally don't show their midriff to actually have just this peekaboo illusion. Guys, I don't need to be in a midriff either. I'm just telling you that right now. And this is what I love about this. I don't have to suck in. You've also got this super high waist short that is ultra flattering. I don't know about you ladies, but I suffer from cellulite behind my thighs. So it was important for me to make sure that these were long enough that you didn't have to worry that like, The back of my thighs are gonna show. And even if you were concerned, booyakasha. You also have this duster that completely covers all of that back there. Nobody is watching your booty or the creases in it or the dimples. So this is my go-to lounge set. Fun fact, I've actually also worn this in our sand color, which is a very nude taupey color, and I've put it with some heels, and I rocked this the entire summer. Like, I love this outfit. Comment below if you were actually really happy to see me go on the bright side. Comment below if you were like, girl, stick to your neutrals. You guys have actually seen me wear the Hills set, oh my gosh, 3 times on this channel. We actually created this at the top of spring because it literally is the perfect knits to cuddle up with. I don't know about you guys, but my husband during the summer keeps the AC on in the house. I joke with him that if I step outside, I'm in an oven, but if I step inside, I'm in the fridge. So I absolutely love that when he's got that AC pumping in the house during the summers, I still have a cute little thing like this to put on that keeps me cozy and warm. I've worn it in white on our Things We Don't Talk About episode. I've worn it in baby blue on our makeup TikTok hacks. And I've worn it in pink for our episode where we talked about 90s trends. And I am about to jump into our C set. See you in a second. Here we have back to my naturals and my neutrals. This is actually our C set in the color tan sand. And guys, how cute is this? For so many people that were like, we wanna make sure that you guys have full shirts, this is your go-to in this collection. I don't know about you guys, but I always have family over my house. So obviously in the mornings, I like to throw something on that's comfortable, even if it's not what I slept in as PJs. Most of the time I sleep naked. But when I get up in the morning, I wanna be able to walk downstairs and have on a little cute something around the family, whether it's to grab my coffee or even just to jump on Instagram. I'd be like, hey guys, good morning. It comes in shadow black, ocean, which is like a very light blue. And then you've also got this frost color, which is more of a periwinkle lavender. We also have it in rose pink. It also comes in snow white, which is, guys, how beautiful is this? My mom absolutely loves this color. She actually wears that as her PJ all the time. And fun fact, when we go to the Hamptons, this was literally like her bathing suit cover up. And it actually worked out perfectly with like some cute little white sandals. This is the perfect summer knit. Fun fact, everyone, Lana is sitting here and she's like, that's what I'm taking to Vegas. Lana is going to be wearing this as her bathing suit cover up in Vegas, so if you see her out and about, be like, yes, girl, come through with the C set. We have got the August set. I love this because it's actually a little bit of a heavier knit. That's the perfect transitional piece from summer to fall. And again, like I told you, comment below if you have a husband who keeps the AC on freezing. Fun fact, I also feel this way about everywhere that I vacation, whether going to Hawaii or partying in Miami. Am I the only one who feels like if you're inside, you're going to freeze? So like you wear clothing that's appropriate for the weather outside, but if you're having dinner inside, you're half naked and freezing. This is like the perfect loungewear for that kind of situation. I also love the colors that it comes in. And again, for all of you guys that are like, we don't want crop tops, we want full length shirts. Can we get like a full length shirts, people? Full length shorts. Again, these are also longer shorts specifically for gals like me who, you know, kind of think of the back of their legs as a problem area. So this covers that up perfectly. Let me go try it on for you. This here is our August set. Okay, I know that so many of you guys watching might be like, well, that seems really heavy. I promise you guys, this is intentionally summer knits. So it's intended to be super lightweight, airy, and I gotta say, this might be one of my favorites. I literally think this is the softest material. It's super cozy, super comfortable. Am I the only one that like, even during the summer, I still want to like wrap up? Like if you're watching a movie at night or something like that, like I still need a blanket to go to sleep. I don't care how hot it is in the room. I can't sleep without something on me. Comment below if you are the same way. If you still need some layers, if you still need to feel like you can do this with your sleeves, I am that person. Also, long walks on the beach, especially if you're living in areas like LA, Malibu areas, it gets really cold at night. Like I actually think I would need long pants for this, but this is a great layer piece for the summer, and I absolutely love it. So if you're also transitioning from summer to fall, this right here is perfection. I am currently so obsessed with this blue color. I feel like I wear this one all the time. It's called Sky, and I feel like it's the perfect summer blue. This with a cute gingham shirt underneath, layered with like jeans. This is super versatile. You can wear it so many different ways. It also comes in shadow black, which I wear this one all the time. This literally came out of my closet. This is not one of our samples. This one is literally a staple in my house at all times. If I'm feeling all black everything, this is the go-to. I'm currently wearing vanilla tan. We also have it in violet purple and orchid pink. You can check those out on the website. I swear this is the most comfy. Like, I literally feel like a kid all over again in the most chic and sexy way ever. In our Hudson romper in sky blue, okay guys, I'm just saying, I actually have a cousin of mine, Caleb, who wore this for Thanksgiving dinner. I actually thought he looked really cute. Literally everyone in our family was wearing Levoot, and he was like, we literally told them you all have to do in the tan colors. We kind of gave them a guide of, these are the things that you can choose from the website, and he chose the Hudson romper in tan, and I actually thought he looked pretty cool in it. This is super comfortable, super soft, again, super lightweight, because you're definitely not wanting to wear something that's gonna suffocate you in the middle of spring and summer. So this again is part of our spring and summer knits, intentionally made to be lightweight and breathable, but at the same time, super cozy and comfy. Israel actually thinks this is the sexiest one on me. I don't know, he thinks it looks like super like cute. Lana, what are your thoughts?
You look cute.
This was the first one you said I looked cute in. I'm a little offended.
I mean, you look beautiful in all of them, but I just love this on you.
When we go on family vacations, I feel like this would definitely be my go-to to just hang out with family. If, you know, we're all watching a movie downstairs, this is definitely what I'm coming down wearing. For sure, this is my go-to. And it not only comes in this perfect color, it also comes in cream white, which is super chic, oat tan, heart pink, lavender purple, and then shadow, which is your classic black, which I feel like you guys have seen me in. Guys, I told you, if we're hanging out and we're lounging, this is what you will find me in. It is the romper. It's super comfortable, super fun. And I don't know, I've just been loving this haul with you guys, like my little Levoot spring summer knits haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that you guys head on over to our website, shoplevoot.com, to wear some of these pieces that we created and I'm super, super proud of. And again, thank you to Shopify for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.